Zeltparker here with part 26 of The Crooked Man. I went ahead and cleaned up my fucking keyboard and shit, I guess. I don't know, just don't, okay, so let's see. That door was locked. So I have to find something to break it. I, ge- I don't know, they basically said nothing could break it, right? So I don't know. Just makes me not want to play at all. Oh shit. Loud, nothing in here. The cabinet is locked. Maybe this small key will work. Oh my god! Try it. Medicine room? Where the hell is a medicine room? Ugh, fuck. Let's assume it was this way because I've been through those places so many times I would think I would remember that. So, one of these asshole rooms has to be a medicine room. Wait, let's see. A medicine key and a bloody key. So, what is the bloody key for? I, Either the piece is on the roof or it's somewhere high enough, and I'm thinking then I can open. Maybe it's in the medicine room. Maybe the medicine room's high. So basically right now I'm just looking for a locked door, I think. Anyway, so like if I get to the medicine room, find the thing, I'll go open it up or whatever it was, get the shit I need to break the door or something of that nature. Now where would we keep medicine in a giant ass hospital? I don't think we keep it on floor 3. Oh hey, I can go in here. No. Something tells me that's not the medicine room. Damn, I didn't see what time I started. Oh my god. Well, I'll just stop it in 7 minutes. Nothing left in there. Good observation. I should have cut off the light. This shit's too bright. Like, I don't want to watch myself play. If that was the case, I'd put on a webcam. So these rooms were useless. Let's make sure there's no medicine room in here. No, there's no door. Well, I would think they would keep their medicine fucking... What's this one? Nope. And that's where I got the key. Oh my god! Heavy breathing name inserted. There's a diary. That newbie Steve made a fine mess. He spilled some hydrogen bromide and made a hole in the wall. I told him that stuff could eat through iron. He better pay me back for this. Hydrogen bromide, it can melt iron, huh? Maybe that'll work on the door on the rooftop. Let's go find some hydrogen. What a clever deception or whatever observation. Wait, oh, what did he say? Hey, Typhonol, Mom took this stuff. What did they say it was for again? Oh, I guess each thing. Blah blah. Nope, no clue what these in words. What are those for? Oh, here we go. Hydrogen bromide. Have to be careful with this. We found the Heidi. So I guess this is supposed to melt through the door. I guess. If that makes sense. Well, whatever. It's better than spending 2 videos not knowing what to do. Fucking 26 or something. That's ridiculous. I bet I could get rid of this wire with the hydrogen bromide. Maybe I can melt the wire with this. Fluffy, stand back. This could be dangerous. Okay. Hey, it's working. This is kind of fun. Reminds me of a science experiment. Whoosh! Melted the wire. The door can be opened now. Oh shit, you went in without my permission. Yay, we're outside. Hey, Fluffy, don't run around. You'll fall. I can't see Mama from here. She must still be looking for that thing she lost. I hope she comes finds me soon. She'll be here soon, I'm sure. You sure love your mama, huh, Fluffy? Yeah, Mama's the best. Do you like your mama, Mr. David? Yeah, I gotta love my mama. I mean, my mother. Family is important. It's so obvious this is family. My mama's nice, but she's scary when she's mad. Is your mama nice? I'm home. Are you feeling better, Mom? Did you go to the hospital? Welcome home, Davy. Welcome home, Davy. It's just a cold. It's just a cold. Don't blow it out of proportion. I feel a lot better after getting some rest. There's really no good side to feeling feeble. I'm sorry to always be causing you trouble. Oh wait, fuck the voices. Don't worry about it. We're just a family of two. Of course we have to help each other. Ho ho, you're so kind. Say, how's it going with Shirley? She hasn't come by lately. We haven't met much because of work, though I'd like to talk with her more about the future and all that. She must be anxious. It's a big event in a woman's life. Make sure to support her, will you? Are you sure you're not in pain, Mom? You don't look very well. Get some sleep. I can make my own meals. I'm glad to have such a kind son. Thank you, Davy. Yes, she's very kind. She always cared about me. Hee hee, you better get home soon then, Mr. David. Your mama must be really worried. I suppose you're right. Same reason why yours will show up soon. Just wait with me until then. Yeah. Oh god, it's too simple for something to happen in an old newspaper. Psychiatrist at local hospital commits suicide. Early this morning, a doctor employed at the general hospital was found dead by a nurse from the same hospital. He was hanged, so the police are deeming it a suicide. Interesting. You know what? Better save it. Save. Bam. I should probably end this. What's this? Nope, I guess oh, shit. What? Ah! There's a ladder. Seems you can climb up. Go up. What else would I do? Up here is my item. Got an end piece. Yep, totally called it. Family. Okay, I'll just get to where I need to be for the damn pieces, and then I'll end the video, I guess. Where the hell was that? Shit. Or maybe I'll just end it here for suspense. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe for more. Here's another agonizing video to make it like 27. Alright, bye-bye.